Drivin Ivan here with a very rare Porsche 911 Carrera. Let's check it out after you smash that like button and subscribe. Yes, it's the Carrera CS Club Sport here at what looks like, I guess, headquarters of Porsche here at the Nurburgring. And yeah, there's a lot of cars here. Porsche driving experience, I guess. And look at this, Club Sport. That is very, very cool and very rare. This would be a vehicle set up for the track with a lot of lightning going into it. Of course, it's a Berlinetta, no sunroof whatsoever. And yeah, got the Carrera CS script on the back, the whale tail, and red Fuchs alloy wheels. The UK, obviously, with the right-hand drive. So I would say this is a pretty darn rare example of an air-cooled 911. I love my 82 Targa. Check out all my Porsche reviews. I've got 5 of them. 996, in which I kind of do a buyer's guide. I drive all of the Porsche 911 996s, basically, from the Tiptronic to the Carrera 4, Carrera 2, Cabriolet, and hardtops as well. But yep, 911E, beautiful Chrystal blue review there, 997, and like I said, my 964 as well that I used to have. But this is a very rare, beautiful Porsche 911. I hope you like it as much as I do. I hope you'll smash that like button and leave me a comment, and I hope you'll search Drivin Ivan in any car. Thanks for watching. I am Drivin Ivan.